I'm going to show you around our house in Japan. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom / toilet room. The toilet rooms are separate from the shower rooms in Japan. I did do a whole other video showing the different housing options when we were house hunting and going over all of the details of what makes a traditional Japanese house, including this particular house that we chose. So that's in a separate video, and then I have another video showing our move-in day process along with all of the drama with the backyard and us meeting our Japanese neighbors for the first time. So I'll leave those 2 video links in the description box if you guys are interested in and want to check it out and are curious about that whole process. Otherwise, let's just get to the video. I'm so deeply, madly in love with this house, and I try to decorate it as best as I could with the items that we have within our style, but also staying true to some of the Japanese aesthetics and just adding little elements that you find throughout Japan. You'll see that in our entrance as well. I have 2 Shisas there and I have 2 Shisas outside as well, and that's very, very common here. Almost every single house, especially in this prefecture, has Shisa. I'll try to describe what that's like in the description box and what that's all about if you guys are interested. Otherwise, here's our house. Like I said, I'm deeply, madly in love with it. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you feel how peaceful and just incredible this house really is, even though it's such a small house in comparison to, I don't know, those big houses that you see in the United States and those big mansions that you find in videos online. I know they're incredible too, but there's just something about how this house makes me feel and makes our family feel that it's just really special, and I hope I did a good job conveying that for you guys. Let me know what you think. Mm-hmm.